Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a very fun song from TAI VERDES. This one is called Three Outfits. Outfits, very important here. So a cool song with some great attitude here from TAI VERDES. So let's start right away, no need for any capo. We have 4 different chords to cover here. So let's start with the chords first. We have G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we have B minor. It's a bar here on the 2nd fret from A string and down, so that means 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we have a chord progression that goes G, A, B minor, D, in the order we learned the chord. And the next round will be G, A, D, D. So that is how it goes round and round through the entire song. So G, A, B minor, D, G, A, D, D. All right, we have this melody that I showed you in the introduction of this tutorial. I think I'm gonna give you that one first, and then I'm gonna give you how it's done with the strumming and how the timing and rhythm goes. So first, the melody. This melody is, it differs a little bit through the song. It evolves. Sometimes you play almost exactly like I'm gonna teach you, and then sometimes you go a bit away from that. But this is the basic here, and it works through the entire song. So yeah, let's do it. We have the first G. You will have this position. It sounds like this. Okay, so that is 3rd on E in the bass, then open G, open B, open E, and back to open B. So pretty easy, like that. Then you play the next chord based on A. And this is the grip now, so we go up. That will be like this. Okay, so that is 5th on E, open G, open B, open E, and you land on 6th fret G string. Alright, then the next melody notes here are based on the B minor. Sounds like this. So that is 2nd fret on A, then 4th fret on G, 3rd fret on B, open E, and back to 3rd fret B. All right. And then we have the notes based on the D. Sorry. Like that. All right. So that is 5th on A, 7th on G, 7th on B, open E, and back to 7th on E. Sorry, B. Okay, so we need to focus now. So the last one was 5th on A, 7th on G, 7th on B, open E, and 7th B. That's the correct way. Okay, so this is kind of the first part here from this chord progression, G, A, B minor, D. I'm gonna play that through for you very slow so you can really listen and see how it's done. So starting with G. Yeah, G, A, B minor, and D. Now let's play the rest. And it's actually starting the same way. The chord progression is G, A, D, D. So the G and A will play in the same way. So starting with, that's the same part on the second round. And now we're gonna play the D part, 2 Ds. So the grip will be down here. And it will sound like this, the first D, so to speak. Okay, so that is 5th on A, 7th on G, 7th on B, open E, 7th B, 7th G, and open D. So this is the grip. Okay, and the second and final D will be like this. And that is 5th on A, 7th on G, open B, 7 on B, 7 on G, and open D. Okay, so the second round here, G, A, D, D, is played like this. I'm gonna play it slow for you. Try to do that. Always harder, but we do try. So let's go from G, A, D, D. Yeah. So that is the complete melody. I'm gonna take you through one whole chord progression here. That means G, A, B minor, D, G, A, D, D. Let's go for a slower round here. So let's go. Yeah, something like that. I knew I'm gonna do one mistake somewhere, and I did it, but I think you understand what we're doing here. I'm gonna speed up this to a standard kind of tempo, so let's go. Yeah, so that is much easier and much funner to play. And you can actually add more notes to this. I did it now. I added a couple of notes here and there, but I stuck to the original notes as well. As long as you do that, right timing, doesn't do much and actually can give a lot to this melody. It fills up in a good way. So yeah, just handle the notes you should do, and you can add up with more notes if you wish. That is the melody. Goes round and around this song if you wish, but you can also choose to play the strumming. So now let's go over to that part. For this one, you need to think as pair of chords, because the strumming is paired up with 2 chords. So G to A will be played in the same way as from B minor to D, and so on. So we're gonna look at 2 chords now, the switch and transition from G to A. So that will sound like this. All right, so we're gonna look at the G first. It's played like this. So that is down, down, up, clap, up. Down, down, up, clap, up. All right, and then you switch to A, fast, and you're gonna play this part. So, that is down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So make down on A, and then a break there. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so if we connect these two chords, G and A, it will be down, down, up, down, down, up, clap, up, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay? So down, down, up, clap, up, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And that's how it goes with the next two chords and the next two chords and next and next and next. So G and A will be one strumming round, you can say, and then you switch to B minor, connect that with D, and that's the first half of this chord progression, remember, G, A, B minor, D, and then you do the same with G and A again, and on the final two chords it's actually two Ds right out of each other, so it's D through the entire strumming round there. So I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds of this, G, A, B minor, D, G, A, D, D, so let's go. Alright, so that is TAI VERDES 3 Outfits. So yeah, very fun song to play, and it kind of yeah, really takes off when you learn this melody. It's a great feeling to nail the melody here, and I was able to give it about 20-30 minutes something to really feel comfortable with it. Now it's great and easy, you don't have to think that much about it, and just go and the strumming in the same way. So good luck with this one, guys. TAI VERDES 3 Outfits. I'm signing out, and I hope you play tuned.